Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Stop laughing! Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Serious? Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now today's video, I'm going to be allowing this spastic to do my makeup, which I'm absolutely terrified about. I've seen a few YouTubers online do this trend and challenge, so I thought it'd be fun to do. So,
fun.
Yeah.
Woohoo.
Don't act so excited. Alright, so I've got all my makeup laid out and ready to go. I haven't got everything here because it'll be a little bit overwhelming for somebody who doesn't know what the fuck to do. But I've got a few options here. So pretty much you need to try and replicate what I do, which is going to be far from that. And I cannot help you whatsoever. So if you pick up something and go, is it meant for this? I'm not telling you. You've got to just figure it out for yourself. Alright?
Sure.
Okay, so I'll put my hair back because I don't want you to trash that. Now, generally the first thing I would do is primer, but just a
you
heads
can't
up.
tell me apparently, so
Okay.
shush.
So you got some brushes if you need some brushes. Just heads up. Brushes.
Can we skip a little bit?
Why?
Yeah, fucking.
Do I?
Very not good. I'm talking to a fucking camera, this is fucking stupid. How's your day been? Good? Yeah, not bad, thanks.
Alright, stop painting my face. Oh, for any of you who don't know who this is Toby. This is my boyfriend. And he's so not excited about being here today. But anyway. So show the camera what you're using today. What's the tube stack? Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay. Oh my god. Oh fuck.
Beautiful. Yeah.
Just try not get it in my hair, please.
This beauty blender works really well. Beautiful, babe.
Oh, thanks, boo.
Whoopsie.
And I really cannot see what he's doing. I don't have a mirror. I can see in the viewfinder of the camera, but
can we just
not
like
very
get
well.
this like shit off your lip, because like that was pretty uncalled for. That's pretty funny, but I'm pretty funny. This is ha ha.
Do I not ever put foundation on my lips?
I don't know, do you?
Don't know. I'm so scared.
This is gonna be. Don't worry about it. You'll be beautiful.
And make sure you blend it into the neck. We don't want anyone to know I'm wearing foundation.
No, they won't. You look nice and tan.
Yeah, what colour did you use?
Tan.
No, what number is it? Show me
3.
which one you used. 3. Oh yep, the colour we use when I'm fake tanned. Definitely not tan today.
Yes, you are.
Besides
you
my
can see
face.
your face. Your nose is nice and even. That's a good thing.
Okay, great. I'm glad something's even.
Keep your eye closed for a sec, because this is a bit bad. There's shit everywhere there.
Have you done my eyelids?
No, I haven't. Do you want me to do those? Over there, just blend that in there. Can I do that? Can I? Am I allowed to do that? Go over. Oh,
Over my
wow.
brows?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll just go over my brows.
I didn't know that.
And then you dab if you want to like get it in there anymore. Wow. Alright, now what will I do next? Do I have any more left, or is it all fucking
I
gone?
only used one pump.
One? Was it one?
It was 3.
Wow. Okay, next. Oh, okay. And show the camera what you're using. Yep. Beautiful. Now what are you using now?
Pigments.
Pigments. He picks up Jeffree Star highlighter in literally ice cold. Anyway.
Look. Oh yes.
Oh, I'm feeling so beautiful already. Oh my god, I can see the fucking glow from here.
Other side, please. Wow, that side's so much more uneven than the other side. I mean, it's really
Just
good.
put more product and it'll figure it out. Okay, what's that? The Strahless Fresh and Flawless powder. Okay, that's pretty good. That's what I would use after my foundation, so I'm impressed a little bit. Stunning. All right, what next? No, that's usually like the last thing you would do. I can't not help him a little bit because my fucking face would just be full of like... We're not finished with the face yet though. Usually you do brows next.
Fuck, I don't want to put them things on.
Brows? These things are already on my
yeah.
face.
They're eyelashes. Oh, well, I don't know what to use.
And you can use that to... No, that's to brush the brows and that's to paint.
Oh, okay, so we're going to brush these things out.
So they're in place.
Fucking yeah. Which way does this one go? Oh yeah, it definitely goes that way.
My eyebrows aren't that colour.
Are you doing it or am I?
Oh my god, at least try to make it look somewhat good. You know I don't put fucking pink on my eyebrows.
Oh, that looks so good. Doesn't even fucking do anything. Shit.
Oh, my poor brush. I'm so scared to see this.
It doesn't fucking do anything.
It does, honey. If you want it to be a bit more pigmented, spray your brush with this. Then it'll be a lot darker.
It looks like chalk. I like it.
Alright. Brows are done. You've got blush or bronzer that you can put on next. What? What's wrong?
Fucking going everywhere.
It's alright. Good boy. Do I look beautiful yet, babe?
Sure.
Oh, yep, little on the nose.
Or your nose blushes.
My nose blushes.
Yep.
Really?
Mm.
What makes my nose blush?
Blush?
You've got a choice of this palette or this palette.
Well, I'll go that one. It's
The
got bright
colourful?
colours.
Oh, wow. Okay, we're going for the bright colours. That's Toby's specialty.
What colour do you hate?
You should know that. We've been together for 4 years.
You like hate. Because I don't want to do that.
It was our 4-year anniversary last weekend. Was it last weekend?
I think so. It was last weekend.
Was it?
I think
We
so.
did absolutely nothing for it. But we're kind of like trying to save a lot of money at the moment. We want to buy a house.
Oh,
So
don't open your eyes.
that's the plan. Trying to anyway. But yeah, me and Toby have been together for 4 years. We are joint to the hip pretty much.
Probably won't be together after this video.
Oh god. It's not making me feel too confident.
What did you expect?
Well, the amount of times I've gotten ready and you say I take hours to get ready.
Next eye, please.
I thought that you would like have some sort of idea on what I would do. Like, imagine if I couldn't use my hands for the rest of my life.
Then you wouldn't be able to do your makeup,
would you
would
help
you?
me do my makeup? I would hope you would. I'd wipe your ass if your hands were broken. Would you wipe mine?
Sure.
You so would, don't lie. Blue on the brush, so we
No,
clearly know I've
they
got blue
say-
eyes.
Blue and green shall never be seen. Well, not today.
Are you talking about my eyebrow?
No, it's on the eyes. That's it.
Feels like it's in my eyebrow.
It's not in your eyebrow. It's under your eyebrow. Oh, yeah. Remember?
Wings. Toby
Oh.
hates wings, but I love them, so. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Don't draw a dick, please. Don't draw a dick.
I'm not.
Please don't draw a dick.
Look at me. Holy
Are they even?
Oh yeah, they're even. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're done with the wings. You alright?
Yeah. Making me blind. Usually you'd put it like on your cheekbones. Wow.
It's not even going on.
I'm sure it is. Because I can feel it packing on my face.
I can't even look at you.
Have you guys gone to that Milky Lane restaurant? I think it was originally in Sydney, in Bondi Beach. We went there, we tried to go there last night, didn't we? In Surface. Now booked out. We were so disappointed. So we went to Longboards instead. So yummy.
Off.
Lips, what colour are you gonna go for?
Is lipstick after all? Oh my god. It's pretty hard.
Babe!
Look, you're moving too much.
How'd I look, guys? Okay, you done?
Is that it?
I was gonna do lashes, but I don't know if I
No, fuck.
No. We all done?
Yeah, do you want to see yourself?
Do you want to maybe set my face? Normally that's how it works. After you're done, lock it into place so you can rock a whole day's worth of makeup.
Oh yeah. You got your big day on.
Gotta make sure it's... How am I looking, guys? Do you guys want... If you need any makeup artistry done for an event, for a weekend, just because you love his work, just PM me on Facebook and...
I won't be there.
Okay.
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh! Oh my... Look, but eyeshadow's not... No, it's pretty bad. You really need to practice your staying in between lines.
What about the wings?
That is just not really great. Do you guys like it? I look worried. My eyebrows look
Have
worried.
you seen that episode of The Simpsons where Homer makes a makeup gun? It's a shotgun.
Close your eyes, Marge. And now you're ready for a night on the town.
Homer, you've got it set on whore.
No.
Kissy.
No, that wasn't part of the deal. Try and kiss me with that lipstick on your face.
Can't get up. Anyway. Thanks, boo. Anyway, guys. Thanks for watching our video.
Your video.
My video. With you. Note to self, never get the boyfriend to do my makeup ever again. Anyway, if you like this video, please hit... Oh, fuck that. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, we will deliver.
Please don't.
Anyway, see you guys in my next video. Bye.
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 Oh.